My house. My house is a large and beautiful house where I feel comfortable every day. It has 2 floors and a big garden around it. On the first floor, there is a wide living room with 2 sofas, a big TV, a coffee table, and a soft carpet. We also have a dining room with a long wooden table where my family eats together. The kitchen is modern with a fridge, an oven, a microwave, and many cupboards. There is also a small laundry room with a washing machine. On the second floor, we have 4 bedrooms. My room is the biggest. It has a large bed, a desk, a computer, a bookshelf, and a closet for my clothes. There is a window with a view of the garden. We also have a guest room, a children's room, and my parents' room. There are 2 bathrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom downstairs. Outside, my house has a garden with trees, flowers, and a small fountain. There is a garage for our car and a balcony where I like to drink coffee in the morning. My house is full of love, memories, and peace. It is my favorite place in the world.